What you can achieve in 60 seconds, inspiring real-life examples. What can you do in 60 seconds? More than you think. This video will inspire you with real-life examples of what's possible in just 1 minute. From life-changing decisions to small actions with big impact, these stories will motivate you to make the most of every moment. What if we told you that a single minute could change everything? In 60 seconds, you can take a small step that leads to incredible results. Let's explore real-life examples that prove every second matters. In just 60 seconds, someone picked up the phone, apologized to a friend, and mended a broken relationship that had been strained for years. A person rushing into a room and performing CPR. In a minute, a stranger saved a life by performing CPR until help arrived. 60 seconds of courage made all the difference. In just 1 minute, a student submitted a scholarship application that opened the doors to their dream college. A woman putting on sneakers and stepping out of the door. In 60 seconds, someone decided to go for their first walk in years, taking the first step toward a healthier life. A man clicking upload on a video file. In 1 minute, a creator hit upload on a video that went viral, inspiring millions around the world. Subscribe to 60 Seconds in Life for more quick inspiration that fits into your day.